Hi everyone, welcome to Vamsi online maths classes. In this video, I want to share you an important formula to find area of triangle when any three lines are given. Come to the statement of the formula. The statement is area of the triangle formed by the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 and a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0 is delta square by 2 times of delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 square units. Here we prefer modulus because if you get a negative value you have to consider that is a positive value only because area never be a negative value. So the formula is delta square by 2 times of modulus of delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. See, I draw rough diagram here. So according to the colors of the lines, see the a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 will be this yellow line, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 I draw with the green line, and final line a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0 I draw with red color line. So you can imagine we make a triangle with the help of these three lines. Now we are going to find what is the area of the triangle formed by with these three lines. We are going to find area of the triangle with this part. What is the area of this triangle? Right. So the formula is delta square by 2 into delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Right. What is the delta? How we can find delta value? So to find delta value, we have a formula that is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, det of this value will give the delta value. And what about delta 1, delta 2, delta 3? For these values also we have a formula. For delta 1, so here we are going to find delta 1, right? So 1 is there. So you should prefer 2, 3 combination. A2, B2, A3, B3. When it comes to delta 2, here delta 2 is there, no? Delta 2. So you better to focus on 1 and 3 combination. So A1, B1, A3, B3, det of. And when it comes to delta 3, here 3 is there, no? So you better to focus on A1, B1, A2, B2 determinant. So we know how to find determinant of 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. So with the help of this concept we can find the area of the triangle when any three lines are given. Come to this example problem. Find the area of the triangle formed by the lines 2x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0, 3x plus 5y minus 1 equal to 0. Right. First of all, we have to find what is a1, b1, c1 values. So write it down. A1 value is 2 and b1 value is 1, c1 value is minus 3 from the first equation. Now come to second equation. From second equation, a2 value is 1, b2 value is 4, c2 value is minus 5. So note it down. B2 is equals to 4, C2 is equals to minus 5. Come to third line. From the third line, A3 value is 3, B3 value is 5 and C3 value is minus 1. So note it down. A3 value is 3, B3 value is 5 and C3 value is minus 1. So with the help of these values we can find delta. Come to find delta. What is the formula to get delta? A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. So apply here. A1, B1, C1 with minus 3, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3 and C3. So this is the delta. Here we have minus symbols. If we expand this delta, we know how to expand this determinant. We will get 2 into minus 4 plus 25, minus 4 plus 25, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 15 by cross multiplication, minus 3 into, we will get 5 minus 12. So simplify this, you will get 49. So delta value is 49. We got delta value as 49. Now come to find delta 1. For delta 1, our formula is A2B2, A2B3, A2B2, A3B3, right? Formula is, so 1 into 5. I'm going to apply the formula directly cross method. So 1 into 5, 5, 3 4s are 12, that is equals to minus 7. Delta 2 is there, no? So 1 3 combination, A1 B3, 5 2s are 10, minus A3 B1, 3 1s are 3, that is equals to plus 7. Delta 3 is there, no? 1 2 combination, A1 B2, 4 2s are 8, 1 1s are 1, A2 B1, that is equals to again 7. Therefore required area formula is delta square by 2 into delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. 49 into 49, because we have delta square there. So 2 into modulus of delta 1 value is minus 7, delta 2 value is 7, delta 3 value is 7 modulus. So we can easily cancel that. 7 7s are 49 cancel, 7 1s are 7 7 7s are. So that is equals to, answer will be 7 by 2 square units. Answer will be 7 by 2 square units. Come to this question. This question is for you. Try to find the area of this, the area of the triangle formed by with these 3 lines. So the question is, find the area of triangle formed by the lines. The lines are 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. Here a1 value is 2, b1 value is 1, c1 value is minus 4. And come to second equation, a2 value is 3, 3x plus 2y minus 5. So a2 value is 3, b2 value is 2, c3 value is minus 5. The last equation, x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Here a3 value is 1, b3 value is 1, c3 value is 1. Apply our formula. Try to find answer for this question. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching.